Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Now for this machine we have to replace the mechanic pad. This one that you see right here, this one sits right in this position below the display panel, as well as we have the spouts. So you have to remove all these and get really deep in order to remove the Meccano valve. This one, as you can see, was leaking and it was just not working and routing water to the brew unit, and it was not brewing coffee at all. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. We're using our test coffee. We're using a number 3 setting of the grinder, and we're gonna do an espresso shot. We're also using the max volume of the machine. We also lubricated a bit the transmission and clean a bit around where this mechanical valve was leaking inside the machine. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color and looking great. Great shot of espresso with our test coffee. 1.5 ounces, which is perfect for 1 shot of espresso. Looking great. Now we're gonna use the hot water. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the one. And now we're use the steamer.
Expand the stream.
And as the thermoblock pressurizes, we're gonna see more steam coming out of the one. First has to purge from the previous use, and as the thermoblock gets hot, we can see steam coming out of the one. Excellent pressure, great temperature, working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica XS working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.